This is a dragon fruit, and it's really quite low in calories and quite nutritious. And I'm going to show you a quick way of cutting off the skin and everything to to get down to where you can eat it. So take a knife and cut off the ends, and I wait until I'm not aggressive. I wait until I see the core of the dragon fruit, and I'll cut off the other end. Now, I've had this one in the refrigerator. You don't need, according to what they say, to refrigerate this anymore, but you can also freeze it, and it's real good for smoothies. So then the next thing you do is, you can see the core. I just take a knife and go along the edge, and then all you got to do is just peel it, and look how easily it comes out of the skin. And then I don't know if you can compost this stuff or not. I'm not into that. So you just take that and throw it away. And then just take your knife, obviously, cut it into a couple of sections, like so, and then just cut it up, seeds and all. Seeds are really quite good. I don't turn stuff around. I'm a lazy cook. You cut it up into some cubes. Now I'm going to put this on my yogurt for breakfast, but you could, once you've gone this far, take the cubes, put them in a freezer bag, spread them out so they're not bundled together, and then you've got a good fruit to add to your smoothies. So anyway, that's a dragon fruit, and that's how I prepare it anyway. So hope this tip was of some value for you.